welcome back. And let's go ahead and finish our table and then find out our rule. All right, so our table with x and y, our first coordinate was run 1, jump 2. Our second coordinate, we ran 2 on the x, so it's an x of 2 and a y of 4. Something just happened with my pen. No, maybe not. Yeah, maybe so. I guess I just ran out of batteries. That's fun. All right, so I'm going to use the mouse to continue this. That was 2, 4. Remember, when I write with my mouse, it's terrible. I might be able to write with my finger. Yeah, that works. Okay, cool. It's still terrible. All right, 2, 4. The next one, we ran 3. We jumped 6. So we have an x of 3 and a y of 6. All right, and then the next one, we ran 4 on our x and jumped 8 on our y. So that is 4, 8. And then we have one more point, even though I'm running out of room. 4, 8. Remember, I'm still writing with my finger. It looks terrible. All right. Did the pen start working again? Nope. Okay. So last one, we ran 5 and we jumped 10. Now I'm writing with my mouse, so this is gonna look crazy bad. All right. So let's find the rule. What is happening each time? All right. So 1 turns into 2 either by adding 1 or by multiplying times 2. All right, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 times 2 is 2. So we need to find out which one of these two rules fits with the rest of our table. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 times 2 is 4, okay? 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, okay? 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 times 2 is 8, okay? 5 plus 1 is 6, 5 times 2 is 10. So it looks like for all of these, our rule was times 2, all right? So that's the same as saying 2x equals y. Our rule is multiplicative because we are multiplying x 2 times to get our y value. So we figured this one out as well. It's a multiplicative rule. Y is equal to 2 times x. Every time we have an x value, we multiply it times 2, and that's how we get our y value. All right, additive or multiplicative. So let's think about the rules here. How can 5 turn into 22? This one is probably already in your head, one or the other, right? Because do you know any way to multiply 5 to turn it into 22? I do not. Offhand, I'm sure there is a way with some random multiplication of a decimal. But since we are not there yet, I don't think that they're going to do that to us. So how could 5 turn into 22? How could 10 turn into 27? How can 15 turn into 32? Well, let's figure it out. So 22 minus 5 will tell us the difference. All right, 12 minus 5 is 7. 1 minus nothing is 1. All right, so it looks like they added 17. All right, let's see if that works with the rest. 10 plus 17 is 27. Okay. I'm sensing a pattern. 15 plus 17 is 32, and 20 plus 17 is 37. So if we take our x value and add 17, we get our y value. So that's an additive pattern. All right. So, yeah, we got it. Hey, cute dog, what's up? All right, so let's find out what's going on with this cute dog. All right, so they have given us 2 tables, and they're asking us which pattern in the table is additive. So one of these patterns is multiplicative, and one of them is additive. You might already be able to see which one's multiplicative and which one's additive. Let's find the rule. All right, so 3 plus 33 would equal 36, or 3 times 13 could also, 3 times 12 could also equal 36. All right, so let's find out which one works with the rest of the graph. Is it plus 33 or times 12? Over here, I want you to figure out, is it additive or multiplicative? How can 2 turn into 14 using addition? How can 2 turn into 14 with multiplication? So when we come back, we'll check all our work. I want you to figure out what these tables are, additive or multiplicative.